Welcome to Crisp Tutorials, where we keep it short, simple, and to the point. Today's topic is understanding the requirement of the client. So this is the very first video in our tutorial playlist, and as discussed earlier, this video will be about understanding the client's requirement. So let us say that I am your client. I am the owner of Aspire. Okay, I'm your client and I already have a YouTube channel. Here it is, Aspire Crisp Tutorials. And what I want is you should now create a website, let's say www.aspire.com. okay, and when I go to videos, I should be able to see all my videos on that particular website so that I don't have to depend upon YouTube. Okay, for distribution of my videos, you should create a separate website, aspire.com, for me, and then deploy it. Okay, this is what I want from you. So I'm your client. This is what I'm asking you to do. Okay, so how will you achieve it? First of all, did you understand my requirement? My requirement is not to create the website. The basic purpose is to distribute my videos. That is important. Okay, and how are you going to create that website? I'll tell you how. Let's go to any of my YouTube videos. When you try to share them, you see this button over here, embedded, embed. When you click on it, you get an iframe code. Okay, you just click on it, it will auto select itself, and then you click on this copy button. Now you go to your desktop. You just create any file, let's say index.html. Of course, you will have to change the type of the file. Right click, edit it in Notepad or Notepad++, any text editor, and you paste that iframe that you have just copied. Save it. Okay, and then try to open it in a browser, let's say Chrome. So here this is called as an embedded YouTube video. Okay, so that is why this iframe is given to you. As soon as you create any HTML page and include this iframe into it, then you will get this kind of a video inside it, and you can play this video. You can pause this video, you can go ahead, you can increase or decrease the volume, you can enable or disable the captions, YouTube settings, standard YouTube settings also you will get. When you click this button, it will expand or collapse. Watch later, it can be added to your watch later list. So as soon as you click this, it will be added to the watch later list of the user who has signed into your browser. So here I have signed in, so it is added to my watch later group. I'll remove it. Okay, then share. So you can share this video with your friends from here also. So all the features that a video gives you in YouTube, the same features are given in a YouTube embedded video. Besides, you can also click on this particular YouTube logo and watch the same video on YouTube website. And see, we were watching at this level Microsoft at SQL Server 3 minutes, and so here it will automatically start from 3 minutes only. So YouTube is very intelligent that way, and that is why this YouTube embedded videos are mostly used by people nowadays. So this is what Aspire as client wants from you. Okay, so understand the client's requirement. You have to create a website, let's say aspire.com, and when you go to, let's say, videos, then you should be able to see this kind of a page which will have this kind of embedded videos. Then it should show all the videos that I have given on my YouTube channel. Okay, now similarly, going forward, I might also ask you to make a provision that when any user should first be able to log into this website, and then only he should be able to see. So login will get added in the future. Then while logging in, the user will be specifying the technology that he works on. Suppose a user is a web designer, he only works on HTML and CSS. Then I will in the future ask you that, see, if a user works on a particular technology, he should see only those videos which are related to his technology. For example, on Aspire, I have many playlists. So I have a playlist on Agile, I have a playlist on C#.NET, one on CSS, one on web application development. So, any web designer will only be interested in CSS, or if I have another playlist about HTML, then HTML. So only these two playlists should be shown to him. What is the point in showing him C#.NET playlist? He will never see. So he will never like to see, rather. So in the future, I might ask you as a client that, after login, the user should see only those videos which are pertaining to the technology that he has mentioned while logging in or while signing up to your website. Okay. So that can be next requirement. Another requirement that might come in the future is that while signing up, the user will subscribe, and there will be multiple subscriptions. Like there can be a free subscription which won't require any money. There will be a gold subscription which will require less money as compared to a diamond subscription, which will require less money as compared to a platinum subscription. And then depending upon which subscription the user has taken, a few videos will be shown to him, or more videos will be shown. For example, let's say in Agile playlist, there are these many videos. There are 8 videos. So out of them, for free subscription, only the first video will be shown. For gold subscription, first 3 videos will be shown. For a diamond subscription, first 6 videos will be shown, and for platinum, all the 8 videos will be shown. Along with this, a Git access will also be given for the project that I might have created in that particular playlist. The Git access will also be given for platinum subscription. So various types of subscription can come in the future. Okay, so the reason for explaining all this to you in this first video is that understand the client's requirement and what all will come in the future. Okay, and depending upon that, you will have to set up your project. You will have to create a database accordingly. Okay, because in the future you cannot say ki, okay, I did not imagine ki this might also be a part of the requirement. For example, tomorrow he might also say that there should be a payments gateway also. So you should be aware that this requirement will come sometime in the future. Okay, so depending upon this, you will have to decide which database I have to use, relational or non-relational. Okay, so you should be aware of, you should have a vague idea of what the client wants. Okay, so although you don't know the specifics, but at least okay, it is this kind of a website that I want to develop. See, this kind of a website might require relational database, so I'll go with a relational database, let's say MS SQL. Okay, I won't go with MongoDB because MongoDB might not be able to handle this kind of a complexity, because there are so many subscriptions. For every subscription, means subscription will be another table, so user will be another table, roles might be another table, there might be an admin user also in the future. So it's a complex thing. It's not just a chat application. So relational database won't work. Non-relational database like MongoDB won't work so well in our particular scenario. So this is what you should understand. That is why I'm asking you to understand the client requirement thoroughly. Okay, that doesn't mean that you will ask every detail to the client, how do you want this page and how do you want that. No, but basic business flow you should be aware of what is in the mind of the customer. In Agile, even the customer is not sure what exactly he wants while he begins the project. Okay, you start delivering him the project in sprints, you start giving him the demos, the project starts taking shape, and then he starts advising you that I want this also and I want that also. Okay, but you should basically know what is in his mind. He wants to create a website to share his videos. He already has a YouTube channel, but he wants his own website so that he can enforce subscription laws. Okay, he can enforce subscription onto the user. Then he can, show only those videos which are relevant to his technology. So this kind of things he wants to do, and that is why he wants to create a website of his own. Understand his thing. Try to put yourself into his shoes. Okay. So that was about the first video, understanding the client requirement. In the next video, we will see how to design a project structure so that the UI layer and the service layer are independent and independently scalable. Thank you.